Bird nest is one of the lucrative business opportunities in Malaysia. At night, when all are in pitch black, is where the horror begins. Place where rarely guarded and lack of proper tools and technology to secure. The consequences of these intruders is decreasing the bird's nest productivity and affects the bird's nest house monthly earnings. In Malaysia, per year, the estimation of losses is reportedly around 10 million ringgit. This is something that can be prevented, so don't be a victim. LinkPlus, AI plus IoT technology is the ultimate protection for your current and future business improvement. The advanced technology system of LinkPlus is designed to monitor and send the real-time notification. Take away all your worries. LinkPlus helps to provide comprehensive devices that monitoring the system with advanced wireless technology towards AI plus IoT, Internet of Things. Once detect the human motion, the immediate notification will be sent to our monitoring center and to the users. Upon continuous alerts, monitoring team will contact the response team and the nearest police station. Immediate response will be taken to the incident areas within SLA. Those thieves will be prosecuted accordingly. Our security team is fully trained and available 24/7 nationwide. With LinkPlus Smart Security System, keep you in low risk of losses. Increase the productivity by keeping users' environment secured in all time and suitable to produce the satisfactory production. Any abnormal data reading detected in LinkPlus system will be sent with notification immediately to your mobile phone, and users can monitor from anytime and anywhere. By using LinkPlus Smart Security System, users can now improve their production capacity. To reach a successful production potential, you can't miss out to feel the LinkPlus into your industry. We reinvent future with today's effort and technology.